America, in this year of 2025, has seen one of the largest immigration sweeps and mass deportations in history.
Oh my God. Just give me money, I'll work later.
This has resulted in a less favorable choice of hiring expensive young white American male adults, with the work ethic of a sleeping stubby cat during the daytime.
Oh my God. Just give me money, I'll work later. This is so unfair.
It's hard nowadays. With all the Mexicans gone, these new guys just don't work as well. It's just god-awful.
Are we done yet?
When the contractor gets a willing employee, it's usually a harder task nowadays to get the newly employed candidate to adapt to his surroundings and understand the task of work.
I tried to do things the old-fashioned way, went down south of the border, tried to grab a couple workers, but the fuzz is really on it nowadays, sons of bitches.
I hired him to hang some Christmas lights on one side of the house, but he's been in the fucking bathroom for 4 hours now.
When's lunchtime, Mr. Halbert?
I tried to be nice and buy some lunch, but that's now become harder as well.
I can't eat this, it has turkey. I said vegan only, meat free.
You murderer. Yep.
I just don't get it. Just stop. Let's just get you home.
Hell yeah! It all changed for the better when the aliens arrived.
Listo para trabajar, sin descansos.
Ever since they arrived, it's just been so much better, eh? They've only been here 30 minutes and the yard's almost done.